In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase Grammarly tutorial, 5 minutes. If you've got a paragraph that needs a fresh wording while keeping the original meaning, Grammarly's built-in generative AI can help you do that quickly and clearly. All you need is an internet connection, a Grammarly account, and the text you want to rephrase. Make sure you have permission to use the text and avoid pasting anything sensitive or confidential. Start by opening your browser and heading to Grammarly's website. From the homepage, look for the option to sign up or sign in. Choose the sign in path by selecting I have an account. This takes you to the login screen. Enter the email you use for Grammarly, then select continue. Depending on your account, you may be asked for a password or a verification code. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. Once you're in, you'll land on the Grammarly dashboard. Create a new space to work by choosing New Document. This opens a clean editor where you can work freely without distractions. Now copy the paragraph you want to paraphrase from your source and paste it into the new document. Give it a second to load. You may see regular grammar and clarity suggestions appear on the right. Those are helpful, but we're going to focus on the AI tool for rewording. Look for the Write with Generative AI option within the editor. Click it to open the AI prompt box. In the prompt field, tell Grammarly exactly what you want. A simple, effective instruction is paraphrase the paragraph to keep the same meaning, make it clear and natural, and avoid changing key terms. If you need a specific style, you can add it here. For example, make it professional, simplify for a general audience, or keep the length about the same. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. Run the prompt and wait a moment while Grammarly generates a rewritten version. When it appears, read it carefully. Confirm that the meaning matches the original, that tone and length fit your needs, and that any important names, dates, or terminology remain accurate. If it's close but not perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. Small adjustments like ask for a shorter version or make it more formal can make a big difference. When you're satisfied, you can keep the paraphrase text in the document or copy it out to your destination. That's all there is to it. You signed in, created a new document, pasted your paragraph, opened Write with Generative AI, and prompted it to paraphrase with clear instructions. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.